Ever wondered how to finance your dream home renovation? Picture this. A young couple, let's call them the Johnsons. They've just bought their first home. It's a charming, century-old fixer-upper with beautiful bones, but in dire need of a major facelift. The Johnsons have a vision. They see past the peeling wallpaper and outdated kitchen. They envision a cozy, modern home where they can start their family. But how to turn this vision into reality? That's where renovation loans come in. Imagine the FHA 203K loan as a magic wand. It's a government-backed loan that transforms fixer-uppers into dream homes. With a low down payment and a streamlined process, it wraps the purchase price of the home and the cost of renovations into one neat package. The Johnsons can now afford to breathe new life into their old home without draining their savings. Now picture another scenario. The Smiths, a stylish couple with an eye for design, have just bought a dated suburban home. They dream of a sleek, modern sanctuary tailored to their tastes. Enter the Homestyle Renovation Loan. Offered by Fannie Mae, this loan allows the Smiths to customize their home down to the last detail with flexible financing options and competitive rates. But what about our heroes in uniform? For veterans or active duty service members, the VA Renovation Loan is a godsend. It combines all the benefits of a VA loan with additional funds for renovations. Now, military families like the Parkers can personalize their homes without straining their finances. And for those who've built up equity in their homes over time, like the Andersons, there's the Home Equity Line of Credit, or HELOC. This option is perfect for homeowners eyeing major renovations. With the liberty to borrow against their home's equity, the Andersons can fund their dream kitchen renovation and potentially deduct the interest on their taxes. Renovation loans are more than just financial tools. They're dream enablers. They empower homeowners to see beyond the surface, to envision what could be, and to make it happen. So, whether you're a first-time buyer like the Johnsons, a design enthusiast like the Smiths, a hero in uniform like the Parkers, or a seasoned homeowner like the Andersons, remember, your dream home is within reach. So why wait? Start the conversation about renovation loans today and unlock the full potential of your dream home.